Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to trade with the help of Fibonacci retracements. Now Fibonacci retracement is a tool, it is an indicator or a tool that helps you determine the pullbacks in a certain trend, an uptrend or downtrend. This tool is mainly used um, for the purpose of recognizing pullbacks at different levels and recognizing different levels at which ultimately helps us in the entry point of those pullbacks. So how to trade with the help of Fibonacci retracements. So let's get started with the video. Now Fibonacci retracement is used mainly in the pullbacks, not in a general trend. Now let's now in these cases, yes. I will point out this area. This is used mainly in the pullbacks, not for general or normal trend. Now you can see I pointed out this area. Now out of these percentages, whatever percentage it reached and then moved onward, moved came to that point, and from that point it reversed. So from that is the entry point for the pullback. Now you can see that the entry point for this trend is 50%. So there are basically three levels in the Fibonacci retracement: 33 level, 50 level, and I guess this 75 level or 68 level, something like that. I'm not exactly sure about this, but there are three levels. Now for the first level it reached, it's okay, and the second level it touched and then reversed, that's also fine. The third level it's all reached and then moved upward, that's great. If it reached this point and then moved onward, that's not great. You should not you should wait when the trend enters into a phase of pullback. Do not enter into that trend until that trend shows that this is now the pullback would end right here, and after this it would reverse. So you can see that the pullback ended right here and then it moved onward. So if you want to enter at this level, take this level as your risk margin, your stop loss. This should be your stop loss. Mark this area as your stop loss. If it reaches this level, and then you will have to sell your stock when it reaches this level, and then find another company to invest in, find another stock to invest in. Now let me show you another case. Again, this is also a pullback, 50% retracement level, and then it moved onward, and then it moved onward from that level. You can see that. Now let's take a look at another stock. Let's take FABL. I would take this stock because I've currently held my investment in this stock, so I will take this stock. Now there is this other tool as well. No, I think no, not this one. Yes, it was this one. So I've used this tool. I don't know how, on what intention I used, but I thought this would be a pullback. No, sorry, not right like this. Yes, now it's clear. Now at this level I thought this would be a pullback, but as you can see I didn't define my stop loss, and from that point, from this point it started to move downward. And now from this point up till here I'm still holding this stock, so it gave me this much loss. So this was my mistake, that I didn't wait for the stock to show some signs of recovery, to show some signs of positiveness, to show something that would give me a hint that this stock would go up in value. Because I didn't define my stop loss, and because of that reason that I didn't wait for it, because of my impatience you may call it, so I made this much loss. I'm still holding it, I haven't closed this position, so I made the total of this much loss. If I closed my position at this level, I I wouldn't have made this much loss up till now. So you'll have to do your risk management, take profits, all of that carefully while when you are trading in the stock market. No matter what tools, what indicators you're using, that those are the most important things that you will have to use for while you're trading in the stock market, because there is nothing important beside these. Risk management, stop loss, and all these things will save you from huge losses, and they will move you towards great profit. So always do your risk management properly. Define your define your stop loss, or how much loss you want to with how much loss you want to exit a certain trade. So that's all about Fibonacci retracement, because this is a great tool for the pullbacks to use. Now in certain cases you will have to wait for that pullback to show you how it will perform in the future, because like just in this case I didn't wait for it and it went downward. As you can see, it went downward, so I'm now still waiting for it to go up, because I know that this its price would go up and I'm going to make a profit, but that's going to be too late. So I'm still waiting for it on the hope that it would give me profit, and I wouldn't lose that much money. So I'm still waiting for it, and maybe if it didn't give me that much profit on time, it didn't show some signs of bullishness, I'm going to exit the trend anyway and search for another market or another stock. So I'm going to exit this when I feel that it's now time that holding this is no use to me, and it would give me pain instead of growth. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.